Kathleen Hansen, and this is my Vocal Warm-Ups with Kathleen YouTube channel. I'm often asked what the fastest way is to warm up the voice. It's not ideal to make it a habit of cutting vocal warm-ups short, but here's a quick sing-along warm-up that should do the job if you're in a hurry. Always take a moment to check in with alignment and breathing. Release any tension that you don't need. Let's start with some free-form humming and then lip trills. Feel free to follow along with me or go in your own direction. When I'm short on time, the more sirens and glides, the better. Let's move now to an E on E. Here we go. E. Now let's put some more specific pitches into this as we sing. Give it a try. Exercises will encourage vocal fold efficiency, but it's smart to balance that out with relaxation. We're going to sing on a va, va, va like this. Va, 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 and ga. Va, 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 va. 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 Va, and side down. If you want to access my warm-ups quickly, wherever you are, I hope you'll consider downloading my mobile app, Vocal Warm-Ups with Kathleen. Links are below. Next, let's move back to another lip trill. This time we'll cover the span of an octave. It sounds like this. And go. Into some more sirens and glides, but progress into more open vowels. Feel free to stick with me or venture out on your own. This next exercise helps us balance brightness with resonance. We're going to sing on the sound nyah nyah, like nyah 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 nyah. Really glide through that last part and just watch for extra tension, especially in the back of the tongue. Here we go. Nyah 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 nyah. Finally, let's finish up with an exercise that will take us into a higher range and provide a focus on breathing. We're going to sing on yo ho ho. Make sure that that breath is pulsed and we feel that low in the body. Yo ho ho. It sounds like this. Yo ho 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 ho. And go. Yo ho 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 ho. 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 Yo final sigh down. I hope you're feeling a bit more warmed up and ready to sing. If you want a more complete warm-up, I have plenty of longer ones to choose from, like this one, or those below. Thanks for liking, subscribing, and checking out my mobile app linked here and down below. I'll see you next time.